Hey guys, it's Foxy 1047 here again, and this time I'm back with the Suzuki TS185 motorcycle, and I'm really happy. I got my parts ordered. Maybe by next weekend or the weekend after that, they'll be back together and driving. But I got the push rod completely out, and right now I just got an Allen wrench sticking in there because here, that's what takes the pressure off of the pressure plates when it's in there. I'm just going to push this Allen forward a little bit. It fell out, but that means that the push rod's moving. The one push rod that's in there that I accidentally took out. So you could probably just heard it fall back a little bit. But yeah, hang on. I'm pretty happy with that because that's simulating a push rod. So once I get a push rod for this, the clutch will work, and once the clutch works, I can ride it and use it. So I'm really happy with that. So here in a couple weeks, this will be mobile. Now what I do need to worry about though is the front brakes. They don't work at all. Rear brakes kind of do, but they're pretty sticky. Actually, I could probably just ease that up a little bit. Let that soak in. But rear brakes work, they just stick a whole bunch. So 75 TS185. It's a two-stroke 182cc. And they went like 75 miles an hour at one point in time. So they were pretty quick for a dual sport. But I really like this bike, and I fixed the ignition wire there. That's a professional fix. I really like this one. I really like where the odometer was once. So I'm not going to touch that. That's nice. I like the tachometer too. It's like that. I like how it does that. That's nice. I can turn it 10,000 RPMs all the time if I wanted to. But yeah, I think that's about it. I've got everything in here all freed up, but that's pretty chewed up. But I don't think it's gonna affect the performance of it too much. It needs a carburetor kit probably, but I'm not gonna mess with that right now. I'm not good at building carburetors on my own. I've tried. It leaks pretty good from the exhaust too. That might be why, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. It leaks everywhere. As you can see in my shed, there's a large amount of oil leaks on the floor. That's nice. And I did some weight reduction here, taking out the battery because I think it's got a bad circuit somewhere, some or other. Because when I rode it, the handlebars were shocking me, and I don't think it's supposed to do that. So yeah, these were shocking me. So that's not supposed to happen. So yeah, hopefully here in a couple weeks it'll be moving and I can trail ride with it, even though it's winter and it's 30 degrees outside right now. It's the ideal time, So yeah, until next time, it's been Foxy 1047 signing out.